What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to write the molecular formula or chemical formula of mercury to chloride, and after that I want to show you how to calculate the molar mass or molecular weight of mercury to chloride. So mercury, as you know, is Hg and chloride is Cl. The charge for mercury can have different charges, but this one is 2, so it's going to be 2 plus, and chloride is coming from chlorine, which is -1 because it belongs to halogen groups. So we have HgCl, the 2 is going to sit here, 1 is going to sit here, but we don't show the 1. So it's going to be HgCl2. That's the molecular formula for mercury to chloride. Now I want to show you how to calculate the molar mass. First of all, we need to find out what elements we have. I list the elements Hg and Cl, and then I need to find out the atomic mass of each of these elements. The atomic mass of Hg from periodic table is 200.59, and the chlorine atomic mass is 35.45. Hg we have 1 and chlorine we have 2 of them, so make it 200.59, and 2 times 35.45 is 70.90. Then you need to add them. It will be 200.59 plus 70.90. That makes it 271.49 grams per mole. So that's the molar mass or molecular weight of mercury to chloride. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel.